Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 of this same thing. And I was saying how bad that was. And there's registration logos, symbols in your fonts. So let's just go to Windows, Dockers, Text. And this is weird. 2019, they've changed it. This should be, I think it's called symbols. So if you have 18 or below, under this, it'll be this right here. They call this, I can't even pronounce that, but they're trying to, I don't know what they're trying to do. They're trying to make it more like Photoshop or something. So then you just cursor down. I'm in Arial, and I'm going to just cursor down till I find that registration trademark. He's using Arial on the other font, so I'm going to use Arial. And most, I went way too far. Most fonts have a registration trademark. You know what? I'm going to start at the top and work down, because they're normally going to be right in here. There's your @ sign. So we ought to be getting pretty close. There's your registration trademark. Just click on it and bring it into the picture. See how much better that is than the other one? Now let's zoom in here, and this one is 0.206. 0.206. Whoop, I had my ratio locked, so back up and rate and lock that. 0.206. I think 0.206. So I made it the same side. So what I would do in this case is put that right on top of it. Our nudge distance is 7 inches. Move it out of the way, 7 inches. Take this one and just delete it. Delete all the part. Go get this thing, it's way over here, and nudge it back. I could have moved it to 1 inch, but a lot easier. That's going to look a lot better. And I did a video on this K, on these letters. Let's look at this. See how many nodes there are? And so this, I would also do this K. And then select that one and select that one, holding down the Shift key, and turn it into a line. There's actually double letters there. But that's not going to affect you. Let's just turn all these into a line, see what happens. See how I've made it a lot straighter? So I would just kind of look around, and also the person I'm doing this for, see how your corners are clean up here and they're rounded on this? I don't know what their logo looks like, but if it's supposed to be all rounded. And also, let's just do this. Let's set our nudge distance on 0.5, and let's see what's going on here. See, there's actually 2 sets of letters. And that might have been because, yep, no, it's no outline was set on when I was using the Smart Fill. I get, sometimes and so this is even better. It's already cleaned it up. So that's how you would add a registration trademark. And then for the person I was doing it for, if you want, let's go, I can't remember how far this was over. I can't imagine it being the 7 inches, but maybe that's what it was. So let's take this and move it over the 7 inches. There you go. And then you're basically going to have to rewrite this 50 because I've changed your size. But you could play with that. Maybe just lift this up a little bit. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.